guys, welcome back to the channel. And today with Albinster 69, and we got ourselves a microwave, another mic. Well, this is the same one from last time, but this is the only one that works. The other two don't. This place is a microwave graveyard. But we got ourselves an Xbox 360 here. $7 and doesn't work all too great, so we're just gonna microwave it because why the fuck not? Then right here we got ourselves the new and improved safety bucket. It's a fire hydrant. Got it from the street. Currently it's raining out and thundering, so it'll add some dramatic effect. So let's get started. All right,
So
let's just pop it in there.
pop it in there. This was one of the later Xboxes, so really can care less. Fits nice and snug in there.
Yeah, it's perfect.
How long do you think we should set? Probably a good amount of time, huh?
Let's start with 10 minutes.
Okay, we're gonna stand back for this one.
Oh, for sure.
Oh god.
Already.
So it's actually actual time, by the way. 2:30. Hopefully you guys can kind of see in there now with the better, now that it's darker and raining. I'm actually amazed it's not doing much. 30 seconds in
For now.
for now, but
Got the safety hydrant on hand.
I hear something arcing in there now.
Do you? I can hear something.
Oh, I see smoke. I see smoke.
Oh, yep.
Oh god.
There's a lot of smoke actually on the inside.
Oh man, it's smoking fierce.
I think I see. Is there flames back there?
No, but I have a feeling it's gonna open. Oh god, look at that. We're probably the only idiots that have put a Xbox in a microwave, but
There's quite a bit of smoke coming from the top, and I don't like how quiet it is.
I have a feeling it's just gonna boom, explode out the door.
It might.
Me and Boogie are having to take cover. Oh god, that's a lot of smoke.
From all
Hopefully we
over.
don't kill this microwave either. If not, if we do, I hope we can at least get past this. Oh god, I see arcing at the bottom.
Quite a bit of
we
smoke.
need fireworks, guys, when you have this. This is better than fireworks, and it only costed us $7, so definitely worth it.
Yeah, there is a bit of flame on the bottom, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, yep. Right down the side. That could be just something from the previous videos. Quite a bit of smoke. It'll take a while. Oh! I don't know if you guys saw that.
Yeah, it's 3.5 minutes in. I'm so happy that this microwave works for now at least.
Yeah, I can't imagine it surviving any longer than this. There's nothing but smoke so far. But see, that's the scary thing. It's like quiet. And you never know. It could just boom.
Yeah, gotta be prepared for anything. Oh god, there it is.
There's a
fire.
flame. I'm just thinking that's what's probably going to happen. It's just going to light
You
on
think we should
fire.
like kill it before it gets too hot?
It's up to you. We could, or we can just let it burn.
I don't know. What do you think? Oh god.
Oh, wow. Sheesh. Oh, wow.
I actually thought it was being a lot worse shape, but it's
That's what happens to your Xbox if you game too much.
especially the first gens. These are, even though this was, I bet you 90% sure that this probably did work, but we didn't have the power cord to it. And two, yeah, we could have probably taken it to GameStop and got some more money for it. But
I think this is what happens if you try to run Cyberpunk on this Xbox. It just fucking explode.
so,
I'm gonna flip it around and then
that's the damage so far.
Yeah, I guess that's the weakest point.
It's,
Just gotta let it go for the remaining. Oh. Something's trying to light back there. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera.
I was expecting more, but there's a lot of smoke.
There's more smoke coming out the back left.
Oh, there it goes again.
It's lighting up a little bit. What happens when you try to run Cyberpunk on the Xbox 360?
Can't handle it.
It's keeping the flame on the left. Flickering. And it went out. Went back on. Yeah, it's starting to do more things. Lots of smoke coming out the back. 250 left on the clock.
That's if they'll make it to 2 minutes. For the rest of the engine time. Really starting to
Oh, yeah.
up in the back.
I think it's caving in, is it?
No, it's just on the left side.
Let me get closer.
That was you making my goodness. Seems like the whole faceplate's starting to melt off.
Wait till it gets to the battery or the chip.
I thought we'd hear some capacitors for sure by now.
Maybe we haven't yet.
No.
We'll probably have to extend the time.
Well, it's going because I feel like if you shut it off, they'll just shut off and they just don't want this thing to come and explode and my luck.
And so we're adding a fuck ton more time onto it. 14 minutes.
It's gonna go, we might as well just let it go and see how long we can get it to last.
Exactly. I hear something going inside of it.
Oh god, I hear arcing now. It's arcing at front.
There's so much smoke.
By the time this timer expires, it'll be almost 20 minutes of this thing being on.
That's pretty good.
I don't think we'll get it that far down, but looks like the fire went out.
For now. I still see some in the back. It's like underneath
Very
it.
little.
It's probably in the inside. I see the flame building back up again.
Ew.
Now, and then I spoke too soon. Now I can smell it. It's probably melting good now. An Xbox oven toaster strudel.
Oh,
Was that a capacitor?
I think so. We'll say it's done pretty good.
That's a Black & Decker microwave, so guess if you guys want a long-lasting microwave, get a Black & Decker. Not sponsored, by the way.
No microwave company was going to want to sponsor us.
Yeah, because they know what we'll do with their microwaves. Like I said, this is the microwave graveyard, where microwaves come to die.
Oh, there's one.
There's a capacitor. You can see on like the top or the bottom corner to the left, the film is kind of melting or warping.
Is it?
Yeah, you see how it's like white on the bottom left?
I think that's just like moisture maybe.
Oh, something's going on but the top. There's some lighting on the top. Again, I do apologize if there's a lot of glare, but
Sure in the middle, there's not so much. I wonder if we should open it.
yeah, we could check it out. Holy Jesus. It's kind of held up a little bit, actually.
Yeah.
Tell
it's probably soft.
Do we have a stick? See how soft it is? This side's still solid.
Right there, it's a hot spot.
Oh. So right here it's pretty soft.
I gotta give it to Black and
You see back there, some stuff broke off and melted off.
oh shit.
And this guy's touching it. Oh wow. That's the front of it. You can see it's like getting in there.
Doesn't matter.
Good job.
Maybe kept it, but
Oh well, somehow the hard drive got pulled out. I guess it just melted out. Alright, so start it back up.
yeah, so far that's what it looks like.
Start it back up, 7 minutes. Oh, there's a flame on the bottom left. So that white thing in the corner
Oh yeah,
kind of disappeared. When that hard drive came out, it was smoking from the bay. So it's pretty hot in the inside.
little sizzle.
Oh yeah, there's something going on the bottom. Probably pieces of plastic burning.
Could be the metal coming in contact with the walls of the microwave too.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, there
Oh.
we go. That was a good one.
That's what we were looking for. Got a flame on the left. Oh, it's smoking up big time.
Popcorn, anybody?
Everybody has that dad that snores like that. I swear it sounds like it's snoring now.
Oh, there we go.
It's making a lot more noise and it's flaming up. Things are happening.
About time. Don't think someone's sleepy and they're snoring.
The
Okay.
flame is staying consistent on the left and it looks like it's making its way in the inside.
It's always towards when the time's getting ready to stop, then it.
Yeah, then it does something exciting. I guess maybe we should just put it at a fuck ton of time next time.
The thing is, they'll probably trip the fuse. I just don't want to like.
Feel free to donate to Al Beanster. You know, this is the microwave graveyard. If you have a microwave you don't use anymore, feel free to donate to him.
Yeah, we can figure out a way to where you can send it. Oh,
Oh.
God. More time. We need more time.
Yeah, there's a flame on the side.
Time. We need more time. So my is going to be going almost half an hour if this time expires.
You know, it's doing good, you know. It's actually doing really good.
Well, we'll probably have to go shopping for a microwave after this. It's definitely
Ooh.
arcing.
Ooh.
Look how bright that is.
It's like the Xbox light is on. It's turning on. Imagine. It's more flickers in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little bit, quite a bit of glare. Again, I apologize for that.
Couldn't do it like in an enclosed area.
Well, that'd be smart and safe.
Yeah, very smart.
That flame's been consistent for a while now. Oh. Again, I don't know if you guys saw that, but in the back there was a flare up. Well, we're waiting. Alright, let's just check it out. Moment of truth. Jesus. Oh, look, it opened up the top a little bit.
Wowzers. It's all nice and black in there now, but
Damn.
I think the plastic's just warped.
Holy Jesus. See if it doesn't break apart. Yeah. Oh.
Oh wow, wow, the whole thing's coming apart. Oh, you gotta
Oh,
be.
yeah, that's what did it. It was gonna happen.
Somehow the monster sticker's still intact.
Shout out to them. Yeah, there's the top part. Wow.
Oops. Glued, the whole casing is stuck in there.
You know, you can see the motherboard, the fan.
It's actually in pretty good shape inside,
Yeah.
considering. Wow, look at this plastic.
It's all gooped over. Look in the back, it looks like a symbiote from Spider-Man. I just came right off.
Ugh. Part of
wow.
the faceplate.
Oh, wow. Let's pull it up here. Dang. The motherboard is still somewhat decent shape for what it is. Dang, the back is cooked. Looks like that little hard drive bay wants to come out.
Bottom.
Bottom's not too shabby.
This will smash the rest.
I guess so. Flip that over. Somehow. Oh yeah.
Move it over here.
Alright. Time to smash the Xbox. Finger grandpa style. Rest in peace. Try my hand real
I
quick.
can hold it for you.
It's all good. I got it.
No, you don't.
Imagine. Kind of want to like, is this still hot? Kinda.
There you go.
I'm going for the chip, man. It's under there somewhere.
Under the heatsink.
Get this out of the way.
And there's really nothing to these new Xbox 360s versus the other version. The other ones at least have a lot more into them. Rest in peace, CD-ROM.
So you flip it around and see if I can pop shit out.
There you go. It's tough. It's pretty tough, I gotta say. But not tough enough for us. Oh,
Well, I got the hard drive bay out.
you're destroying the Xbox like Psycho Dad.
Exactly.
Like Juggy Nuggets would be so sad.
Alright, I'll let you get your turn.
Well, yeah, I got the hard drive here. smashed. It's gonna work real good now. It's gonna work.
Oh wow.
Well, there you go. There you have it.
Alright guys, that'll conclude this video. If you guys liked it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, we will see you in the next one. Laters. This is a fuck ton of smoke. God damn. Why is it more smokier than the fucking...
Okay, also, just to end this video, we threw that little pencil sharpener in there, that little electric
I like how the...
Oh!
Oh, fuck!
Perfect end of the video, man. I got
Holy shit. That pencil sharpener does more than the fucking Xbox,
wow.
bro. What are the odds?
Oh, God.
Holy shit, bro. That did more than the Xbox.
This little tiny thing. That's
Well, it's
it.
because it has what? A battery in there or something?
No, it's just a little tiny motor.
We need to get ourselves a motor or something. Well, if you guys like that bonus clip to the end of the video, like I said, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next one. Booyah.